Hey, good morning. Nick here with Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Super excited to give you a quick tour of our 2025 Tiffin GH1 that just arrived. This is on the Sprinter chassis, coming in under 20 feet in length, and we've ordered this particular stock number 23200 with a nice option inside. Let's check it out. Here I give you the new 2025 Tiffin GH1 on the Sprinter chassis, equipped with the 4-cylinder, twin-turbo, all-wheel drive, complete off-the-grid capability. Some of the awesome things I really like about the Tiffins, they do standard. They provide you with these nice Fox suspensions in the front and the back. They give you air chucks to air up those inflatables in multiple locations. You got a nice dry erase board right here, which is cute. You can put the to-do list and also things that you might need. This right here, instead of having a jump seat behind the driver's seat that they normally come equipped with, this is your storage box adventure workstation that you can option in. It's great for more interior storage. You can swivel around both seats, put your laptop right here, and again, tons of storage underneath. Got a spot over here for the tower and all the goodies. So if you want to work remotely and you're looking for something like this, the GH1 might be an option for you. Please check out stock number 23200 online, but give one of the guys on the team a call to confirm availability. With the season in full swing, inventory changes pretty fast. Again, this is a 2025 Tiffin GH1. You've got your bathroom on the right, your loft bed in the back, so that's going to power all the way up to the ceiling, giving you a massive amount of garage storage there in the rear of this 20-foot B-Class RV. Hope the video was helpful, and have a great day.